What's up, guys? It's ReRe, and today I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this look right here on your nails so you can be popping just like me. Okay, so guys, for step one, you're going to need these tip guides. What I did was just take one tip guide each, one little strip right here, and place it on each nail, the bottom half, making sure that I push in the tape to my nails. I also took this right here, dotting tool is what it's called, and I just went along the sides just to make sure they're pressed down so that no polish can slip underneath the tip guide. Okay guys, so step two, as you see me doing here, is just lining up my fingers on both hands, opposite fingers on both hands, just to make sure that the tip guides are lined up. What we don't want is for one to be higher than the other. That's just not hot. Alright, so step three is to polish the nail. I took this color right here by Cosmetic Arts. Just grabbed the big bead and placed it on the bottom half of my nail and then pulled it straight down, as you see here. With step three, you just want to make sure that the whole nail is covered in your polish of choice, your color of choice. All you gotta do is make sure that the whole nail is fully covered. So this is the last nail that I'm polishing to complete step three for this hand. Like I keep reiterating, just make sure that the nail is covered, fully covered in your polish of choice. Step four, as you see here, speed it up, is just to give your nails a second coat. We want our nails to be popping. We want them to be seen. We want them to be bright and vibrant. So in order to achieve that look, we need a second coat. We're just finishing up step three here. No, is it step four? Shit, I didn't lost count. But yeah, we just finishing up this step right here, guys, making sure our polish job is done. For step five, you're gonna need some tools like I have right here. I call these nippers. What I'm gonna do is just take these and grab one end of the guide tapes and rip it off. Now the trick to doing this is to make sure that you rip off the tip guides before the polish is dry. So you want to rip them off while the polish is still wet. I feel like it works best for me when the polish is still wet, just because if step one isn't done correctly to where the tip guides are secured on both ends, polish may get underneath the tip guides and then you have to go in and correct it. And I just feel like it's best to correct it when the polish is still wet. Step six, guys, is just to place the rhinestones now. So right here I'm taking my favorite gel polish. It's a clear top coat by Born Pretty, and I'm just going to place a bead of it right here on my container where my rhinestones are. In order for me to place the rhinestones where I desire them, I'm going to use my dotting tool and just dip it into my gel top coat and then align it right where I want my rhinestones to be. Now, when I tell y'all this is my favorite gel top coat, like I literally mean that. I swear by this product right here. Like I'll use it to place my rhinestones anytime, because what it does, it's like a top secret, y'all. I'm sharing my top secret with y'all. But what it does is it just holds onto the rhinestones so well. I never ever ever have to worry about my rhinestones falling off, and that's why I love it so much. This is still step 6, which is placement of the rhinestones. And that's what I'm doing here. I'm using my wax pencil to pick up my rhinestones, and I'm just placing them on my nail without giving it a desired like straightness. Well, my desired straightness, because y'all know it's Aquarius, we perfectionists. So yeah, so after I place the first row of rhinestones, as you see here, I take my dotting tool and I just, get them straight. I shouldn't say straight. I should say like I give them an arch, because that's basically the shape of the guide tips that I had. They were kind of arched, so I gave it an arch. And this part right here, you have to be really tedious. Like I said, I'm a perfectionist, so I want to make sure that all my stuff is on fleek and it's straight and it's perfect. And I also want to make sure that I'm leaving the clear to be seen, because that's how, that's giving us our look, of course. And then I also want to make sure that the color, the polished color, the line is covered as well, to give us that little flotation, Michael Jackson moonwalking in this bitch. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm just talking at this point. But yeah, so right here, we're just placing the rhinestones. And then we're going to come in and we're going to even them out, readjust them if we have to, straighten them up, arch them more. Whatever you need, you do. Whatever you see that just will make it look a little better, do it, sis. You feel me? Make it yours. Once we have step 6 completed and our rhinestones are just how we want them, we're going to cure them. And we have to do this to keep them in place, because we use our gel top coat. And this is our finished product. Like, this is what we worked so hard with all 7 of them steps to accomplish. This look right here. And when I tell y'all, I've been getting so many compliments on my nails. And when I tell people that I polish and place the rhinestones myself, the look on their face is what I die for. Exactly what I die for. But yeah, thanks for watching this video, guys. If you want to recreate this look, please tag me in your videos or your pictures. I would love to see them. Also, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and just give it a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this. All right, see y'all later. Peace.